To authorize Pipedrive from your DSYNC dashboard, please follow these steps. Select Plus System. Click on Select from System Templates. From the drop-down list, select Pipedrive. Select Add this system. Then select Open System Settings. The only field we need to enter is the API token. To locate the API token, please visit your Pipedrive dashboard. On the right, please click on the Settings button on your Pipedrive account. Click on the API section. Then, copy and paste the API key from Pipedrive into your DSYNC settings. This will add Pipedrive to your DSYNC dashboard.